So this is a guide for operating our washing machines. On top of the washing machines you'll find the soap. We have two different kinds. You have this one here, kulørt, which means colored, and hvid, which means white. So on how to operate them, you choose the program that you want. So I'm gonna choose the standard program of 40 degrees. This here is cotton. You also have the opportunity to use some of these. For example, this is a super quick one. These ones down here are for finer clothes. So I'm gonna just choose this one. It takes almost 3 hours. If I want to, I can press the speed button. That means it will only take 1 hour. The handle, you operate like this. You open it, put in your clothes, close it again. Open the soap thing. Pour in a little bit of soap. Ideally one of these, maximum. And then in the end, you press start. So now it starts.